wanted to hold this to kind of give everybody an idea of what it means from the perspective of planning for the beauty and fashion portion of your wedding.
A bridal stylist is somebody who helps you pull your entire look together for your wedding from head to toe. So what kind of dress are you going to wear? What kind of headpiece? What type of earrings?
I always tell my brides, we need to make sure you find your venue and know what kind of wedding we're having first before I go send you to Anya, before I go send you to a Bria. All that stuff kind of works together.
We have brides who come a year plus in advance because most gowns take 4 to 6 months to ship in.
Oh, wow.
You need 2 months for alterations. So if your dress is coming in 6 months, you need 2 months. We're already 8 months out from your wedding.
My venue already has an event coordinator. Do I need a planner?
Yes, basically a wedding is a circus with multiple rings going on at the one time. And I'm the ringmaster, making sure that everyone is doing what they're supposed to be doing in their respective rings. You want somebody that's 100% working for you and 100% looking out for your wedding.
Your beauty trial needs to be for the engagement session. You need to wear it for a certain amount of hours. You need to know what your face does with wearing a full coverage face. The big difference when you have on studio makeup.
We have dresses for every size, so you don't have to lose to have the dress you want.
Yeah.
If that's what you're comfortable with, we're not going to tell you not to. We have a lot of brides do is you may find, like, I call it your base dress. You like the silhouette, you like most aspects of it, but you just want to add sleeves, or you want to change the neckline, or you want to put lace on the bottom. We can do a lot of customizations from gowns in the store. You can customize your own dress without spending $10,000, $15,000.
You have to be a humble servant. You have a servant's heart because we're servicing someone else on the biggest day of their life. That's a huge day.
Yeah.
And it's a personal day. It's full of emotions.
We always say bridal is like Disney World. Like, no one's angry to get married. Everyone's happy, they're excited, they're like kids. And it's almost like, I feel like you should always be matching that energy. I want to do nothing but like boost that.